Meet Taliup's e-commerce website builder, the easiest way to take your business online and start selling instantly. Taliup adapts to your business. Restaurants get online ordering, retailers get a full online store, and service or automotive businesses get a professional website with booking, all from one platform. Customize your site in minutes. Upload your logo and images, choose a template, set your colors, add content, and preview everything live as you build, no design or coding required. Your in-store catalog syncs automatically to your website. Products, menus, services, prices, and modifiers stay updated everywhere, with no double entry. Customers can browse, order, or book online from any device. You control pickup, delivery, shipping, or appointments, while orders and bookings flow straight into Taliup for easy management. Boost conversions with promotional ads, discount codes, and product tags. Built-in delivery options and shipping integrations ensure smooth fulfillment, helping you deliver consistently great customer experiences. Taliup's e-commerce website builder helps you sell more, streamline operations, and deliver a professional online experience, all from one dashboard.